Mick Taylor, born Michael Kevin Taylor on January 17, 1949, in Welwyn Garden City, Hertfordshire, England, is a distinguished English guitarist best known for his tenure with the Rolling Stones. Taylor's prodigious talent became evident early in his life. He began playing guitar as a child and was influenced by blues legends such as Freddie King and Albert King. Taylor's professional career took off in 1966 when he joined John Mayall's Bluesbreakers, replacing Peter Green. His work with Mayall showcased his exceptional blues guitar skills and brought him to the attention of a wider audience. His fluid, melodic playing style earned him considerable acclaim, setting the stage for his next major career milestone. In 1969, at just 20 years old, Taylor was invited to join the Rolling Stones, replacing founding member Brian Jones. His addition to the band marked a period of significant creative growth for the Stones. Taylor's virtuosity and innovative guitar work were instrumental in shaping the sound of classic albums such as Let It Bleed, 1969, Sticky Fingers, 1971, and Exile on Main St. 1972. Notable tracks featuring his contributions include Sway, Can't You Hear Me Knocking, and Time Waits for No One. Despite his success with the Rolling Stones, Taylor left the band in 1974, citing personal reasons and a desire for more creative freedom. Following his departure, he pursued a solo career and collaborated with a variety of artists, including Bob Dylan, Jack Bruce, and Mike Oldfield. His solo work, while not as commercially successful as his tenure with the Stones, further demonstrated his technical proficiency and deep musicality. Taylor's influence on rock and blues guitarists is profound, and he continues to be celebrated for his contributions to music. In 1989, he was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame as a member of the Rolling Stones. His legacy is characterized by his remarkable skill, innovative playing, and enduring impact on the genre. Thank you for watching the video. You heard the story of a legendary man who is always in our memory. Subscribe to our channel and don't miss new video.